Turn on subtitles for better understanding. Mahatma Gandhi is one of the most important leaders in modern India. His peaceful ideas changed the future of his country forever. He became a symbol of courage and hope. People around the world admire his vision. Gandhi was born on October 2, 1869, in Porbandar, a small town in western India. His family followed traditional values and simple living. These early lessons shaped his character and future choices deeply. As a child, Gandhi was quiet and gentle. He liked reading stories about honesty and kindness. He tried to follow these values in his daily life. His calm nature stayed with him throughout his entire journey. Gandhi married young, as was common then. His wife Kasturba supported him strongly. Their life was simple but full of respect. They faced many challenges together over the years, growing stronger as a family. When he was a teenager, Gandhi traveled to London to study law. Life there was very different from India. He learned new ideas about justice and society. These ideas later influenced his political and moral beliefs. In London, Gandhi also discovered books on religion and philosophy. He read about many faiths and found wisdom in each one. This helped him build a broad and open mind. He believed all religions shared truth. After finishing his studies, Gandhi returned to India to work as a lawyer. But he found few opportunities there. Soon he accepted a job in South Africa. This decision changed the direction of his entire life. In South Africa, Gandhi saw deep injustice against Indian workers. They faced harsh laws and unfair treatment every day. Gandhi felt shocked and angry at this situation. He knew he had to take action. Gandhi began organizing peaceful protests against discrimination. He encouraged people to stay calm and strong. His method was called satyagraha, meaning truth force. It became the heart of his peaceful fight. Satyagraha taught people to resist injustice without violence. Gandhi believed violence only created more pain. He wanted change through courage, patience, and moral power. This idea inspired millions across nations. Gandhi spent many years in South Africa. He led marches, meetings, and campaigns. He was arrested several times but stayed firm in his beliefs. His peaceful actions won respect from friends and opponents. After returning to India in 1915, Gandhi saw his country under British control. Many Indians lived in poverty and fear. Gandhi felt responsible to help them. He decided to fight for India's freedom. Gandhi traveled across India to meet people from all backgrounds. He listened to their problems and hopes. He wanted a united nation where everyone had dignity. His simple lifestyle impressed many followers. He wore plain clothes made of hand-spun cotton. This cloth was called khadi. Gandhi used it as a symbol of independence. He wanted Indians to make their own goods. This weakened British economic power. Gandhi encouraged Indians to stop buying British products. He asked them to support local workers instead. This movement grew quickly across the country. It became a powerful tool for national unity. One of Gandhi's most famous actions was the Salt March in 1930. The British taxed salt heavily, hurting poor families. Gandhi walked 240 miles to the sea to make salt. Thousands joined him in peaceful protest. The Salt March shocked the world deeply. Newspapers reported Gandhi's courage and discipline. The British arrested him again, but the movement only grew stronger. People saw the power of peaceful resistance. Gandhi believed freedom was not only about politics. It was also about social change. He fought against caste discrimination and untouchability. He wanted every Indian to feel equal and respected in society. He also supported women's rights strongly. He encouraged women to join protests and public life. Many women became leaders in the independence movement. Gandhi believed their strength was essential for progress. Gandhi lived a very simple life. He ate little, slept on a mat, and worked daily. He believed self-discipline made the mind stronger. His lifestyle became a model for millions seeking inner peace. He often practiced fasting to express his moral message. His fasts were powerful and inspired people to stop violence. Gandhi used them to bring communities together. They showed his deep commitment to peace. Gandhi believed that true change began in the heart. He taught people to forgive and understand others. He said hatred weakened the spirit. Love and truth were the real forces that shaped a better world. During the independence struggle, Gandhi worked closely with other Indian leaders. They sometimes disagreed on strategies, but Gandhi always pushed for non-violence. He believed peace was the only true path. The British government tried many times to stop the movement. They arrested thousands of peaceful protesters. But the people kept marching with courage. Gandhi's message gave them strength to continue. World War II changed the political climate in India. The British needed support from Indians. Gandhi demanded full independence in return. His Quit India movement became a turning point in the struggle. The British arrested Gandhi again during this movement. He spent long months in prison. His health became weak, but his spirit stayed strong. People continued the fight even without his presence. After the war, the British finally agreed to leave India. But the country faced deep religious tensions. violence grew between Hindus and Muslims. Gandhi felt heartbroken by this growing division. He traveled across troubled regions to promote peace. He met leaders from both communities. He asked them to stop hatred and protect innocent lives. His calm voice brought hope during dark times. Gandhi believed India should remain united and peaceful. He dreamed of a nation where all religions lived together. But political leaders chose to divide the land. India and Pakistan became separate countries. The partition caused great suffering for millions of families. Gandhi tried to stop the violence with all his strength. He walked through villages and cities, asking people to choose peace over revenge. His efforts saved many lives. People saw his sincerity and moral courage. Even in dangerous moments, Gandhi refused guards. He believed no one should use violence to protect him or his message. Gandhi continued fasting to calm tensions. His fasts pushed leaders to negotiate and restore order. Many people respected his sacrifice deeply. His actions showed the power of moral responsibility. On January 30, 1948, Gandhi was killed by a man who opposed his ideas. His death shocked India and the world. Millions mourned the loss of a peaceful leader. His message, however, lived on strongly. After his death, Gandhi became a global symbol of nonviolence. Leaders like Martin Luther King Jr. and Nelson Mandela studied his methods. They used peaceful resistance to fight injustice in their own nations. Gandhi's ideas continue to inspire people today. His belief in truth and nonviolence remains powerful. Many movements for human rights follow his principles. His legacy still guides those seeking justice. Gandhi taught that real strength comes from self-control. He believed anger and fear weakened the spirit. Calm action created lasting change. His teachings help people face conflict with dignity and courage. He also believed in service to others. He spent his life helping the poor and weak. He wanted a society where everyone shared responsibility. His example encourages many to live with compassion and kindness. Gandhi's dream for India was simple and beautiful. He wanted freedom, equality, and harmony. He hoped people would solve problems through dialogue. His vision still inspires India's path forward. Today, statues and memorials honor Gandhi around the world. Schools teach his ideas to young students. His life reminds people that peaceful action can change history. His message remains universal and timeless. Gandhi showed that one person can make a huge difference. His peaceful vision shaped India's destiny and influenced the world. He proved that truth and love are stronger than fear or violence forever.